is to study at the medical university and then to go abroad to study more. Back to SMART goals, we talk about specific, measurable, active, and relevant. But when we talk about goals, we talk about something we need from life, all the same is this. You must go up from the stairs of life. What is the stairs of goals, not life? You must have a start, you must have a goal, a special goal of yours. Think about it, then think about the ways that you go to it. You must take the ways. You must take the ways to achieve your goal. If you break from one way, you must try another way until you keep on doing. When you find the most great way, and then gain to success. So if we talk about goal and success, you must set your goal, make a plan for it, get to work for your plan, and stick to it until you success. Okay, Tony Robbins talk about setting goals is the first invisible to visible. That means dream to reality. If you dream about it, you must to have goal, you must to have plan to reality, to get to reality. Most of humans in the world want to just be happy. Okay, there's happiness, but if there were no pain, there will not be happiness. If there were no presence, there will no freedom. So be happy is a good goal. For grade 12 or university, these are a great planning. You must take care of your daily tasks, weekly tasks, monthly, quarterly, annual, and there is abnormal persons. Don't take care about the force, but they take care about the annual goal, and they get to their goal, to their big goal. But I say to you, don't let the another tasks like easy ones, because it's a great way. But there's most of people in the world have this goal.